So we're here with a domino, and we're about to go through a domino. The very first thing you're going to need is, of course, your safety equipment. You need your glasses, you need your earmuffs, you need your apron, rings and everything removed, bracelets removed, and of course, long hair tied up. The next thing you're going to require is this bench hook here. Now you can, of course, use any bench hook. This one is the one I've chosen. If you want to locate it and waste your time, there's a bit of drawing on the top of it there. From here, you're going to need one of the pieces. Now, the reason we're doing your sides first is because your sides are the easier domino joint to do. Your legs become a little bit more tricky because there's not as much surface area for this to rest on, for the plate to rest on. Now, when we're doing this, you need to have it set up to the right dimensions. So of course, because we're doing such thin material, using 12mm material here, you need to come through, have this pushed down as far as you can and lock that in. That means that you've got the depth control there, or the height control there, pulled all the way back. Then push that down and lock that in using this over here. You need to have this locked down to 90 degrees because we're doing just a straight cut in. And you need to make sure that your depth over here is set to 15. 15 is how far you're gonna go in. Finally, we wanna make sure that the width of our cut is gonna be the smallest width possible. After you've got that set up, and you're certain about that, what you're gonna come through and do is you're gonna connect that to the extractor, ensuring that's on, then you're gonna connect it to the power. Now, when we're running power cords through the workshop, make sure you leave the majority of the power cord wrapped up in a safe manner, held away from the general population, because you really don't wanna go through and have excess cords lying around for people to trip on, because it is a hazard. From there, you're gonna go through, put your gear on, and you're gonna line this up. You're gonna butt this up against the edge of your bench hook there. And we're gonna use this central black line right there to go in line with the lines you have drawn. So you're gonna come across, you're gonna line that up, and you're gonna push that. This is gonna hold flat, and then your hand's gonna go there, or it can go there. And you're just gonna line that up perfectly. You're gonna turn the machine on with this green button back here. You can turn that on using that button there. Line that up, turn that on, make sure you're happy with all that, how that's going. Turn the machine on, and then push the whole way in. All the way in, leave it for a second, and then all the way back out. Turn the machine off. From there, what you'll see is you've got your very first domino hole made, and you can go through now and repeat this process on all of your pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, the whole way around. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.